Here today, YouTube, what we have here is part one of this Verizon device. Let's see, let's highlight and copy it. Swap is so different nowadays. And with this device, it actually is a Galaxy S10 Plus, in which it actually has two blocks on it. We actually cleared off the first block, and this second block right here makes it not eligible for resale. This is definitely the Galaxy S10 Plus, which we'll just pull it up since they really don't have any pictures. Which they definitely does not have any pictures of the device on swap at the moment. That's why you see that there's no device matches. But this is part one. This device is definitely reported, and it was unpaid. We at first it didn't have any search results whatsoever when it showed the unpaid part, but when we cleared off the unpaid and went to report it. So this is part one of the Galaxy S10 Plus with that image, S10 Plus. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.